Hello, hello, hello. It is Saturday, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Woo, it is a great day. It's a great day to sing, to write that song that you've been waiting to write, to go into the studio, to start producing your songs, to start doing your show, perform. Oh my gosh, there's so much that you got to do. But today, we're going to talk about what one of my students asked me. She said, how do I belt safely? Well, in belting, you want to know how to approach it. The first thing is, when you're going to do belting, and I mean when you're going to practice doing belting, what you need to do is head voice exercises first, then go into belting. Don't just go into belting or practice belting right away. You've got to prep your voice for it because it's more intensity on the muscles. The same thing is going higher on notes. There's more intensity. There might be more volume. All right, but in chest voice, it takes a lot, honey. So we're going to do my old faithful. 2 exercises that are simple, they're basic, and I do them every day. Now, why would I do something that's simple and do them every day and get bored to tears? I don't get bored to tears because they're basic. I don't need something that's intricate, something that's hard to do. I just need to get my muscles, I just need to get my muscles in order to do my belting. Okay, so I always start out with these in order to warm the muscles, to see how they are. How you doing, honey? You feeling okay? Remember, vocal folds are here. They're like a V laying down. All right? Okay. So I'm going to start down here, and you're going to sing with me so you warm your muscles up. Okay. So you get a vocal warm-up as well as the information on how to belt. Here we go. And I'm going to stop and talk, so you keep going. I'm in chest voice right there, okay? I can't do it down there because head voice down there just disappears. Notice I'm lightening. I'm now in head. I didn't push. Look at my cheekbones, they're up. We're going to go a little higher. Back down. With me, keep going. Take a breath in between each one. There you go. Keep your mouth open. Good. Here's the transition into chest. I went past where I would do full chest voice in order to work the muscles. Second exercise we're going to do is up there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 of the major scale. We're going to do it on again. Here we go. Notice my mouth is open. Taking a breath. Don't push on the bottom. And don't all of a sudden go into chest. Here we go. I'm transitioning. Now I transitioned, but I didn't push it. I checked how my muscles were. And normally I already vocalized today, so my voice is tired. I already taught and I vocalized, but I'm going to be able to do chest voice for you now. Normally I'd have to do more head voice, but we can do chest voice now. I'm going to give you, I know. So you're going to do, instead of you're going to do hi. So you don't pull in here and you don't throw a lot of air out. So watch. I know. I'm pushing out here. Hi. I'm thinking really high, where? Way back here. Here we go. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. No, notice I stayed open. At the beginning, I didn't grit it. I made sure there was air pressure, but I didn't throw a lot of air out. And I came out here, which meant I was supporting. So you've got to have enough air pressure for it. You've got to make sure that you're supporting. Okay, you've got to keep that mouth open, not push it, and not go so high when you begin. Then you can go a little bit higher, and then do the next note higher and come down, and the next note higher. But in between that, the secret is do head voice in between, okay? So I know that this is helpful to you. I know why, because I do it too. I warm my voices up, then work them, and then I rest a bit, and then I do my songs. So that's for you too. Now, this is like a vocal workout, and I have a course. Okay, the vocal workout course, and it is on my website, marquitawaters.com. You've got to check it out in order to do something that's really going to make your voice blossom. I'm there with you all the way, okay? So subscribe, ring the bell. You got lots to do. This is my book. You could read that. There's lots of goodies in there. It's on Amazon, okay? So that's it. I've given it to you. Don't hesitate to do what you love and love what you do, because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fun day, yeah, yeah. Ho, 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 ho. It's a really good day, yeah.